the SWMRDN portable cordless brushless vacuum with multi-nozzles. Though I couldn't access the full listing properly just now, from its title we know it is a cordless, brushless handheld vacuum featuring multiple nozzle attachments. In the vlog opening, I'd show the vacuum and its accessories, likely including crevice tool, brush head, extension tube, etc., discuss its design and weight, and power it on to demo the sound, vibration, and suction. I'd test it on typical car messes, dust, dry crumbs, hair, sand, across seat seams, floor mats, behind pedals, and indoor pockets. I'd cycle through different suction modes, if available, to show how runtime and suction trade off, and also test battery recharge speed if stated. Then I'd open the dust cup and remove the filter, likely HEPA or sponge, to show cleaning or replacement. If the listing gives battery specs, I'd compare those to competing models, e.g. MONOZEL. I would also comment on the stability and build quality of the attachments, how snugly they fit, and whether switching them is practical in real use. Since I don't have pricing or user reviews from the page right now, I'll remind viewers to check the link for latest price, ratings, and reviews before buying. In my concluding remarks, I'll note that a cordless brushless handheld with multiple nozzles is attractive for car owners who want freedom from wires, and if SWMRDN delivers solid suction and durable parts, it could be a competitor to more established models. My recommendation would hinge on battery life, suction consistency, and ease of maintenance. We share by links in the description box.